Good morning everyone, Bridget here. Today just a very simple chicken fry my way that I'm going to show you. It's a very simple recipe. This is it, 500 grams of chicken. I have with me a few red chillies broken into bits, some peppercorns, a few pieces of cinnamon, about 5-6 cloves. I have half a teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons oil to fry. So we'll begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Let it get hot, and then we'll add in our red chillies, the peppercorns, and the cinnamon and cloves. Okay, we are just going to saute these for a little while till the red chilies turn a little dark in color and the cinnamon gives out a smell. Then now you add the chicken, spread them out well, and keep frying and turning the chicken over and over. So just keep frying and turning the chicken over till the pieces become firm and the chicken starts giving out some water. Now we'll add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Okay, again mix. As you can see, this is a very easy recipe with minimal ingredients, but it's going to taste really well. It's more like a roast rather than a fry, and the chicken will give out its own water, so it will cook in that. So now we'll cover with the lid and cook on low heat for some time. You could open after some time and then you again turn the chicken pieces over, and you can see how much of water that the chicken has given out. Once again, cover and cook on low heat. And now our chicken is almost done. You can see that the flesh is leaving the bone. So keep frying on low heat. Now you can add the boiled potatoes and mix it very gently, so that the potatoes are covered with the mixture. Just fry on low heat till it's nicely brown, then you can turn off the heat. So this is a very simple recipe for a chicken fry. If you like this video, do like and share it. And as always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this goes really well with bread or with dinner rolls as a roast, or as a side dish with rice and pepper water, or with dal curry and rice. You could just enjoy it as a starter as well. You can see our Anglo-Indian chicken fry is really delicious. Thank you.